What is religion? Culture in honesty. Religion is culture in honesty, culture in compassion, culture in fellow feeling, culture to support to community and individual, the resolve that remains I for you ever. It gives feel of continuity, it gives taste and ethics, purity, value, decency and honor to all, more so to women world. It gives value, sense to every behavior that builds our character. For repeat behavior makes good and strong character. This culture creates thinkers for a community. Community is the product of the culture of a community is the product of geography. Geography creates history. History creates culture. Culture is ever honorable. Culture is monon, contemplation that creates habit. Habit creates character. A religion is a religion when spirituality is inbuilt into it. Then, what is spirituality? It is reverence to faith. What is spirituality? It is reverence to faith. Both reverence and faith important. More important is reverence. Shraddha. In a simple algebraic equation, idea above can be expressed as religion is equal to spirituality plus environmental effect. That is, symbolically, religion R is equal to S, spirituality, plus EE, that is environmental effect. Name of R, that is religion, changes as the EE or environmental effect changes. EE comes from geography of a region. Geography enables mode of struggle to live and survive, and that creates the history of a community, and that history gives birth of a specific culture. The capital R or religion takes up a name as Hindu, Muslim, Christian, and so on. A religion of any name is a religion for it supports spirituality as constant core. Shraddha. Om Sri Ramakrishna Arpano Mastu.